Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the comments. Let's get straight into it. So, Fiber says, thank you so much for sharing your wisdom. Do you think markets tend to be bearish from Q2 to Q3? I don't know, buddy. I don't know. Fruitcake says, Fruitcake has been, for a year. Welcome to, I don't know, I rarely see you make comments. So, yeah, if you ever have any thing to say, feel free to say it in the comments. You don't have to wait a year to, say it. So anyway, Fruitcake says, am I a crazy person for thinking Ocean USDT is building up to a big bullish wave C? I've learned to read the patterns, good job, and judge sentiment, but I still can't get over the self-doubt. I guess that comes with experience. Yes, sir, it definitely does come with experience. So let's take a look at Ocean USDT. We'll look at it on Binance. So for Ocean against USDT, I know you're gonna say that this is a C, is it? Why won't you call this a C instead? A, B, C, D, E. Yes? Yeah, it's not. It is not. Normally, if it's an A, B, C, D, you'll be able to spot it effortlessly, I would say. So for example, right, you can call this something like an A, B, C, D, E if you want to. Right, whole thing is an A, coming up for a C. There's an E somewhere around here. You can also call the E here. The point is that this is a symmetrical triangle, right? Lower highs, higher lows, and then there's a breakout. Right. Again, you can also call this symmetrical triangle of sorts, and yeah, something like that. Of course, this whole thing could also be some sort of a symmetrical, right? How would it be a symmetrical triangle? This will probably be an A, very short B, and then a very long drawn out C, but C will have to take out these lows before I would consider it as a C, right? A, B, this whole thing will become a C, D, E, right? It's not exactly what you call as textbook perfect, right? So normally a textbook perfect A, B, C, D, E will look like this, and then it breaks out, right? Textbook perfect. We don't always get this, right? Sometimes we get A, B, C, D, E's in the form of A, B, and then C is very horizontal type. Very horizontal type of C, and then get D, very small d, and then small e, and then pump, you break out. Still an ABCD, but of course, at this point of time, we'll probably call it an ascending triangle, right? You're probably going to see like 3 valleys as it breaks, right? But yeah, again, all the, even if an ascending triangle, right, it's just a variation of an ABCD, right? It's a variation of a series of valleys, right? It's all valleys: big valleys, medium valley, small valley, big valley, long valley, small valley, right? It's all valleys. As long as you see valleys, more likely than not, it's going to break towards the upside, right? The same thing could be said for mountains. Let's flip the chart, right? So if you look at the charts in an inverse manner, you will see that mountains are usually bearish, which means that potentially there could be a break towards the downside. So I still wouldn't call this an ABCD. It's not something that I would consider as high quality, or I'm not so sure what you're meaning. You're calling this an ABCD, is it? Again, I don't see the quality chart pattern yet, so yeah. But if you look at Ocean, right, again, effortlessly, you'll be able to spot the mountains over here. Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3, right? And then the 4th mountain, we collapse. You see that? Yeah, it's a mountain range. And Ocean fell, right? Anyway, Ocean is already above the skinny pink line, right? And we broke it with clear bullish strength, and we're above the skinny pink line, so we're anticipating this consolidation. It's a consolidation of sorts to continue higher. So yeah, I mean, of course, we can always break lower, but I don't see this as a reversal, right? Why would I say this is not a reversal? Yeah, I don't see the mountains as we saw over here. You see this? Hey, there you go. There you freaking go. Hope it helps. Gabuchi says, great videos, love your TA, thank you. You are welcome. Reese says, Link didn't make the cut. Not on the top 20, but it is in the top 30. Kate says, thank you for your analysis. You deserve many more viewers. Thank you for the kind words. Long Mountain says, keep it going. Greetings from Netherlands. Oh, okay. Netherlands is I've been eating organic food, right? And it is so difficult to get hulled barley, right? And the only hot barley sauce that I can get is from a company that brings in hot barley from Netherlands. So I mean, the moment I see the word Netherlands, I think of hot barley because I just bought some today. So yeah, there you go. Kev says, looks like this is not a top 20. Great video though. Yeah, so if you manage to catch this video, right, this was actually a mistake. Normally when I record videos, it's all included into one folder. I use Streamlabs, and it's all in one folder, and it's mixed up into all my private videos and also the public videos for YouTube. So sometimes I may get things wrong. So I apparently got this wrong for the first time, and I uploaded a video that's not meant for public eyes. It's meant for private eyes. So if you manage to catch it for, I think it was up for 12 hours. If you could catch it in that 12 hours, then you will know that we've been looking at a lot of high quality bullish setups, and normally we trade coins across all categories of crypto, right? We don't only trade the top 50. The reason why I would only talk about the top 10, top 20, top 30 or top 40 coins, the reason is to keep you safe, because these coins are least likely to be scams. Of course, there are still scams in the top 40 coins, sure, of course, but much less than the top 400 or the top 4,000 coins, right? So if you look at other categories, especially meme coins or coins that are only available on decentralized exchanges, on DEXs, then the number of scams is very high. So you need to have the experience and the know-how on how to identify what are scams, what are probable scams, and what are probably not scams. So yeah, there you go. So I don't usually talk about it. In this video, I talked about PEPE, right? Because for PEPE, it was a very nice quiz. I might. But anyway, moving on. Geek would be a wrong video. It is the wrong video. AM says, yes, all timelines are messed up as well. Yes, it is. So this is kind of a bonus content. So if you caught it, great. Hermano says, what is a honeypot? Myro says, honeypot token is a malicious ERC20 that once listed as a part of a parent PancakeSwap, Uniswap, etc. Usually with BNB ETH can be traded in exchange for BNB ETH but can't be traded back. In other words, an unlucky trader that buys this token will now be stuck with it, unable to cash out. So which means that when you trade on a decentralized exchange, you normally make a swap, right? You swap, let's say for example, Ethereum for let's say a meme coin, PEPE, right? You swap Ethereum in, and then you have PEPE back in your wallet, right? For your Ethereum. So a honeypot is a coin where you swap the Ethereum into this particular address, and then once you have PEPE, and if let's say for example PEPE starts rising, and if you want to sell off your PEPE for a larger Ethereum profit, right? You can't do it, because you just can't sell it back. So that's why you call it honeypot. It's a trap, right? Honeypot, you just imagine a honey to attract bees, right? And then it's like, yes, it's a trap. So it's a good explanation by Myro. I think this is a copy pasted, but it's very well written. But anyway, Hermano, good morning from California. Thank you very much, Myro. Good morning. Reese says, for the L go. Which verse? Is this the one? Bergwolf says, love your content, but what the hell is the skinny pink line? It's not the 200. It's the 314 moving average. Simple moving average. It's 314. Good morning. Kate says, thanks for your direct responses. Much appreciated. Thank you. And Kate says, what happened to Gala? I have no idea. A better tomorrow says, analysis appreciated. Thank you very much. A better tomorrow. So moving on. Okay, so normally, like I was saying, we would trade other coins as well. So I'm just gonna use DEX tools. Normally I use DEX tools for analyzing the particular coins, right, on a decentralized exchange. You have to familiarize yourself with DEXs. If you're not familiar, this is a very good place to start to analyze, right? So normally on the main page for DEX tools, you will see, chains, all the chains, right, where we can buy coins on. Normally, I'll just look at Ethereum or BNB chain. Sometimes I might stray to Arbitrum or Polygon or Aptos or even Solana, but normally on Ethereum and BNB chain. So on Ethereum and BNB chain, how do you see what coins to look at? Yeah, so you look at daily gainers, right? You look at hot pairs, recently updated socials. Yeah, you can look through everything one by one. And if you look at PEPE, right, there's usually a score attributed to it. So how would you know if PEPE is a scam or not, right? So you just click into the coin and you look at a pair explorer, and you'll be able to see the Uniswap version 3, the pool info over here, right? How much is the liquidity? 4 million, right? Circulating supply, market cap, total supply. Look at the DEX score, the DEX tools score. It's a 99 over 99, right? Information transfers, transactions, right? The holders. It's quite good. If you look over here, it's not honeypot, right? The buy tax, there's no buy tax, which means that if you were to buy PEPE, there's no tax. If you sell PEPE, again, it's 0% tax. You just pay gas fees. Proxy contract, mintable. Can you mint more PEPE? No. Whatever paper that's remaining, that's it. And yeah, you can look through all of this, right? They have this blacklisted, which means that addresses that are blacklisted, you can't trade PEPE, right? Unlimited number of transactions, which means that you limit the maximum number of transactions, right? This is to prevent the smart contract from being exploited, right? Whales, right? You anti-whales. Yeah, so again, you can look through all of this, and yeah, this is PEPE. This is PEPE for you, right? There's no logarithmic. So when PEPE got listed, we were actually watching PEPE, and an ABCD appeared for PEPE. Do you know that? Do you see this? Right. A, B, C, D, E. Pooh! So the coin that we were talking about over here, this was a video in April. We did this in April. We saw it, and we were already looking at PEPE. And then PEPE got a very nice squeeze over here. And what happened? Yeah, it blasted off. Right. After it blasted off, what happened? Yeah, there was another continuation chart pattern that came. Right. Not exactly an A, B, C, D, E. Right. It's a variation of a consolidation. Right. You can also see, I mean, you can call this an A, B, C, D if you want to, right? A, B, C, D, another E over here. Boom! Blast off. Right. A continuation. Right. This is what you call a continuation chart pattern. It's an A, B, C, D, E. That's it. Out. What a beauty. So that was a PEPE. Right, and okay, you can also look at all of this, all this, the ticker that is moving at the top over here. You can just, click on the coin. You can see how is this coin. You can look at the info. Okay, no. Okay, this is one of the best things that you can see. 99 over 99. 99, 99, 99. Okay, it's 66. It's not exactly 99, but this is 99. So everything is good. Yes. Contract verified. No. Yeah. So these are the coins that you want to be looking at, right? So was there a squeeze over here for PEPE coin? Yeah, sort of. Again, it's not as beautiful as the proper PEPE, right? You can consider this as some sort of accumulation, consolidation, but it's still not, So yeah, there's people, and you can see, how, whether these are good. Bob is also another one, right? But the fees, so if you look over here, there are some flags. Tax modifiable. Right now, the buy tax and sell tax is 0%, but you can modify the tax, right? The contract creator can modify the tax to like, I don't know, 10, 20%. I've even seen buy sell tax like 100 over %. So that's just absolute insanity, right? Let's say we go to Mong. Okay, still good. Fortune. Okay, 89. You see the score is 89. It's not exactly perfect, right? Because there are a lot of questionable attributes over here. You can pause the transfers, right? Is transfer possible? Tax modifiable, right? These are things that you want to look at, right? You also want to look at the pooled Ethereum. There are only 76 Ethereum. So you can put big volume into it because, if I say you want to sell off Fortune coin for Ethereum, right? There are only 76 over here. So yeah, I'm not saying that, you can't trade this, but normally you can only put in like 1,000 or a few hundred, nothing more than a few hundred. The gas fees is because it's just gonna kill you if you put in, let's say, just $100, right, worth of Ethereum, wrap Ethereum. The gas fees will kill you, so that's why you need to have, maybe like a considerable amount, like 500 plus minus, right? Nothing more than 1,000, I would say, into meme coins. So this is something that you do for fun, because there's a real risk that things could always drop to 0. There you go. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A little explanation on looking at decentralized exchanges, how to look at what coin to be looking at on DEX tools. So anyway, hope the explanation helps. All right, guys. I guess I shall see you in the next video. I was thinking of doing. Instead of the top 50, right? Maybe we look at the top coins of that particular category. Maybe it's a layer 1 category or smart contract platforms. Maybe exchange-based tokens. Maybe the top 10, top 20, or the DeFi tokens, meme tokens. I think memes are very hot right now. So maybe we can look at the top meme coins, right? Doge, Shiba, PEPE, Baby Dogecoin, Floki. We can look at this. The top 5. Looking at the top 5 meme coins. What do you think? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, I guess that's it for today's TA. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!